Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will learn how to reinstall your audio drivers and troubleshoot sound issues on your Windows 10 computer. If your audio is not working, this step-by-step process will help you fix it easily. First, we need to reinstall the driver. Open Chrome and in the search bar type www.realtek.com audiodriver download and press enter. Make sure you only click on the official site, which is https://www.realtek.com. Once you are on the site, scroll down until you see the direct link for audio drivers. Choose the version according to your PC or laptop specifications, then check the box to agree with the terms and click on the download button. Complete the CAPTCHA verification and the download will begin. Wait until the file is fully downloaded. Now let's move to the next step. Press Windows +R on your keyboard and type dev.msc to open the Device Manager. Inside Device Manager, find Sound, Video and Game. Controllers. Click on the arrow to expand the list. Here, you should see options like Realtek High Definition Audio or High Definition Audio Device. Right-click on Realtek High Definition Audio and select Update Driver. Then, click on Search automatically for drivers. If it shows that the best drivers are already installed, you can simply close the window. But if it finds a newer version, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Next, check whether your audio device is enabled. Right-click on Realtek High Definition Audio again, and if you see an Enable Device option, click it. In my case, it's already enabled, so I see the Disable Device option instead. Do the same check for High Definition Audio Device as well. If everything is enabled but you still don't hear sound, repeat the process for both audio devices and update them again. Sometimes, after reinstalling or updating, a restart may be required to make the changes effective. Finally, after completing all these steps, your audio should start working normally. This method not only reinstalls the drivers but also ensures that your audio device is correctly enabled and updated. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tech guides.